In section 1, we discussed self-compassion and self-empathy. So you're now more familiar with the term negative self-talk. Negative self-talk can push you down the dark hole of low self-esteem, lack of confidence, depression, shame, and fear. In this lecture, we will discuss about the outcomes of negative and positive self-talks, the way to identify how you speak actually to yourself, and we will talk about self-affirmations. Negative self-talk makes you feel miserable about yourself and everything which is going on. It can dampen the mood and spoil even what is good. Here are some examples of negative self-talk. I'm such a loser. Why can't I just succeed just once? I'm just not good enough. Why did I do that? Oh, I'm so stupid. Things like that. Outcomes of negative self-talk include spiraling downward, lower self-esteem, lower self-confidence, deteriorating health, lack of motivation caused by negative experiences, poor self-image, focus on self-flaws, weaknesses, mistakes, missed chances, and distorting failures, which worsens all of them. Positive self-talk, on the other hand, is when you talk to yourself with a positive mindset. You use affirming and supportive phrasing in your thoughts, like, I have the power to change my mind. I will do the best I can today. I'm getting there step by step. Well, today wasn't a good day, but tomorrow I will start afresh. So here are the outcomes of positive self-talk. They include feeling positive about self and life, positive self-image, and recognizing self-strength and abilities, yet being realistic about liabilities and limitations. Higher confidence, better self-esteem, more in control of life, meeting your achievements and reaching your goals. And it boosts happiness and overall health. And it's strengthening your relationships. So how to know that kind of self-talk you are making with yourself? Well, you can practice to observe your thoughts during meditation. There's a specific meditation and you can find some guidance in the resources of this lecture. Night journal, reflect your day. It was assigned to you in a previous lecture, so you're already familiar with that. Also, catch yourself doing something right during the day. And even the smallest thing count. Like you plan to do something and so you did. Reflect on that and reward yourself, like just tapping on your shoulder. Make conscious changes when catching yourself talking negatively with yourself. And change it into positive. Rephrase it. Self-affirmation, an act of affirming one's own worthiness and value as an individual to have powerful effects such as increased self-confidence, belief, and becoming more successful in all aspects of life. Something like, I believe in myself. I'm confident and capable at what I do. I'm a great leader. I'm a caring parent. I can handle anything that comes my way. Everything in life happens for me. I'm a beautiful, strong, confident, resilient individual, and so on. So how to do it? It is very easy, actually. You can go on YouTube. Thanks to many instructors there, you can find some positive self-affirmation. Find your favorite and listen to it frequently. Later on, you can also create your own self-affirmation audio, simply to get inspiration and ideas online and then record your own version, customized for yourself. Now, today we talked about negative and positive talks with its effects, a way to identify the quality of your self-talks, self-affirmation, and how to apply them. You might also hear some tools more than once, like journaling. And you can make out that these tools I mentioned more often are very, very powerful and support in various ways and areas. Assignment of this lecture is meditate daily. It needs practice to become great at something, and becoming aware of your self-talk is not different. You can find some guidance in the resources of this lecture. This will enable you after a little while to make needed changes from negative to positive self-talk. Listen to positive self-affirmations. You can start with a guided one, as I suggested. Create then your own customized self-affirmations. Record with a calm voice and with enough breaks in between so that you will get time to really feel and imagine what you're saying. Listen to them without any distractions every morning, right after getting up. I wish you a pleasant experience for that, and I see you in the next lecture.